in the sophisticated and complex world of circuit board production. Each process is like a precise gear, working in coordination to create high-quality circuit boards.
Hello everyone, in this episode we will take a look at one of the key PCB manufacturing process, AOI.
This is the AOI equipment, whose full name is Automatic Optical Inspection. It is the smart quality inspector in the production of circuit boards, using advanced optical technology to conduct meticulous inspections on circuit boards.
The high-definition camera in the device start working like precision scanner, scanning the circuit board in all directions without blind spots. AOI equipment can accurately identify a variety of defects such as short circuits, open circuits, missing or offset components. It can also mask them and provide accurate imaging data for subsequent inspection. The AOI process plays an irreplaceable role in ensuring the quality of circuit board. It not only greatly improves the inspection efficiencies and reduces the errors and subjectivity of the manual visual inspection, but also provides the reliable quality data for circuit board production and help to continually optimize the production process. This is the AOI process, the loyal guidance of circuit board quality. Thank you for watching. Please follow us and see you next time.